Hello! As many people know, tornadoes went through Dayton here lately, and so Jennifer's been selling these Ohio Strong stickers, little heart in the Dayton area. We're selling these, we're charging $5 each, and we're giving $4 to the Dayton Wingmasters, which is the local flying club. For all of you deaf people, I'm sorry, my sign is really bad. Anyways, some people don't know how to put these on, so we're going to show you in the video how to put them on a car. We're going to put it on the metal here. You can also put it on the glass. It's the same way. Just make sure that you use a little bit of cleaner to clean it up real good first. We've already done that. What you want to do when you first get the sticker is take something that's really, take something that's flat. You want to scrub it. What this does is it puts the outside paper to the vinyl. Then just start to pull it off. This can be a pain. It can be a pain in the butt. Once it is fully released, take this and put it however you want it. You want it like this? You can. You want it like this? You can. If you want it perfectly straight, measure from here to here, measure from here to here, and that's how you know you're going to get it level. Put it on, push in the middle, and work from the middle out. Once you have done that, take something flat. You can use a credit card will work, many different things. Just flat, something that's flat and a little bit flexible. What we're doing is we're working the air out of the sticker. Go both ways, left and right, and up and down. Work out any air bubbles that are inside. After that, go to the corner and start to pull. Watch to make sure it's sticking onto the metal. Keep pulling at an angle with even pressure. There you go. Now, work out any bubbles with your credit card or your flat piece. If there's a little bit of small bubbles, it's okay. As the sun is on it, it will let the air out. And if it's a little bit of a bubble, don't worry about it. You can cut it and let the air out and then push it back together. Jen's going to zoom in now using the ring on the camera. Other way, other way.
It's zooming in, actually.
That shows it. Thank you for watching my very, very bad sign. And this is how you put the sticker on your car, or your window, or whatever you want to put it on. Thank you. If you want more information, just look us up on Facebook. Jennifer can answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.